Well, top of the day to you guys. How you going? Skypilot here. Welcome to my channel. I've just received a parcel, and as you just saw, it is in my favourite orange colour, which means, yep, my good friends at Banggood have supplied me with a TYRO109. And I can already hear you saying, but you've already done a TYRO109, and you're quite right. I have done a TYRO109, and I have flown this many times. And I've done a few mods to it too and fixed a few problems along the way, so check out my last videos of the 109 in the pop-out banner at the top there. I've got some different props. I've tried it with different VTXs, installed TBS, etc., and I've also had a little bit of a crash and rebuild. So that's right, the 5-inch certainly isn't a new 5-inch to hit the market by any stretch of the imagination, so which brings me to the point of why I have got another one. Eachine have teamed up with Racerstar and they've put them together in a package. So with this kit, obviously you don't get the Eachine 2206 2400 kV motors that came with the original 109 build. You are now going to be receiving some Racerstar AirC. These are the 2207.5 2550 kV motors, and these are a really nice little unit. Pretty specky little motor. Really looking forward to see how it compares with the original 109. I think it's going to be an absolute cracker. So let's just run through what's in the box again for you guys who are going to purchase this, and then we'll crack open the motors and we'll have a look at those in a bit of detail before we start building. Let's go. Slide open your lid, take off the foam. Let's have a look at what we have inside. 50/40 star racers, times by 4. Some heat shrink for the arms. Battery straps, both the same length. The VTX, receiver, etc. XT60 wiring. Stickers. If you do have the original kit, like I do, you'll be very pleased to find out that once opening this kit, the original Eachine motor. So that's a bonus in itself. 4 of these spare for your original Tyro, should you need them in this kit, so that's excellent. For the same VTX antenna, mounting plates, sponges, frames, these are all the bits and pieces for our build. Nuts, bolts, screws, VTX conversion adapter, 600 milliwatt VTX, FPV camera, this is the Runcam Nano 2, cable ties. Here we have our 30 amp BLS PSCs, very nice. And we have our flight controller, gyroscope equipped, STM32F405 flight controller. If you are used to flying the 109, guys, this is exactly the same kit. So if you have put one together already, you know what's installed, which will make this really easy to put together. And if you haven't, have a crack, because it's actually really easy, as I will show you the next video. If I can put one of these together, anybody can. Which brings us on to these cool little Racerstar motors. Let's crack on in and let's have a look at one of these. These are the Racerstar AirC. They are 2207.5 by 2550 kV. I am suspecting these are going to be a really nice little performer. Really nicely packaged up. Some nice foam surrounds and a nice foam lid there. Included some mounting screws and a propeller nut, and straight away what a really nice looking motor that is. What I'll do first is rip out the scales and do a direct comparison between the Racerstar and the original Tyro motors. The original 2400 kV weighs in at 32.5 grams, and our Racerstar, which is significantly larger, weighs in at 37.45 grams. 2550 kV for these 2207.5 motors. Unibell design. The shaft is high strength titanium alloy, has crush resistant damping bearings which eliminates vibration. 150 mil on the cables, so it will certainly suit any application 5-6 inch that you throw at it. 220 degrees heat resistant copper wiring, off with the text and specs listed below. Certainly going to be a really exciting build, guys. I am looking forward to getting my solder out and cracking on with this build. Once built, I'll do a direct comparison and I'll see how it performs against the original, which is actually an absolute beauty. Any comments, guys? Drop them below, smash that thumbs up, hit that bell for my build video, which is going to be coming up real soon. Thanks heaps for stopping by. I'm going to start building. Let's get the soldering iron out. Let's put this 109 together and find out exactly why Eachine wanted to put the Racerstar on their 109. See you guys. Take it easy. See you next time. Bye for now.